There is a hidden place that persisted over time, in the middle of our culture, even if it lost a great part of its surface due to the effects of human actions.
In these wetlands, thousands of birds coexist. Those lands are under protection, but the negative actions occurring outside the protected areas are still affecting them. For this reason, it's really important to identify the modifications occurring in those areas. Colonial birds are an important indicator since they can show us the actual health state of the ecosystems.
And in a specific time of the year, this place takes part in one of the most wonderful events, the birth of a new generation. Thousands of trees host nests with newborns, and the number of these newborns depends on the food resources given by the wetland habitats, indicating the health state of those. So we decided to explore this magic place with the aim of documenting the birth of this new year generation.
Driven by the wind, our adventure starts from the waters of the Danube River to the wild core of the island, bringing us in a space with a great diversity of forests, marshes and lakes that forges into an interacting complex of habitats. It was the knowledge of the local people that guided us to this mystical place.
The sound of different birds resonates in the air, creating a unique wave. The key of this heaven, we found the colonies.
Inside the colonies, everyone is active. Who is cleaning his plumage? Who is taking care of his brother? Who is just laying on his nest? Who is fighting for its own place? Who is enjoying the landscape? Who has too many brothers? Who is admiring us from above? Who is living the magic moment alone? Who is respecting its duty of preparing the new generation?
It looks like every species has found its own place on the trees. The smaller ones have found home in the more secure places, while the larger ones display their greatness on the top of the trees. On the ending of our attempt of counting different birds sneaking in the vegetation, a species disappeared over the past 13 years has come back, not only as a visitor, but bringing with him his legacy.
For us, those colonies are not just numbers, but an image of the island's resilience over time, even if it was hardly affected by agricultural expansion.
The small island of Braila has fought against these pressures, prevailing over them in time and maintaining an essential carrying capacity.
Our research journey proved us how passion can lead students to make great steps.